How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a mail call. And before we get this video started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This is one of those channels where I won't ask you for a dime. Don't need support, guys. Just if I mention anybody in my videos, I always leave a link in the description below. Always go, click on them, subscribe to them, share, like, whatever. Float your boat, but just subscribe to them, support them. This community is awesome. And speaking of awesome communities, well, my brother Steven from Small Adventures, he posted on the community post thing the other day that his kit, he'd just bought this kit right here, the AMT 60 Ford F100, and he had opened his up, and his had an extra hood in it right here. And he put a question out, hey guys, if you got these kits, go open them up and see if you got an extra hood. Mine had an extra hood. And so I went and opened both mine up, and sure enough, no hood. And so I messaged him and I said, hey, what do you want for that extra hood? I said, I got a original builder kit that is missing a hood. I'd got that kit from Glenn over at Model Cars with Glenn here a couple years ago, and it's missing a hood. Matter of fact, here's that truck right here. This is the OG kit. Difference between this kit and that kit, it's screw-in bottom, and the body is connected right here. This bumper is one piece, and the grill is one piece, where the new kit, it's separate. Both are separate. But other than that, and then the seat's separate where it's molded in here. But yeah, he sent me the hood. And looky there, it fits really good. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's what I needed. Now I can restore this thing. Thing needs a good restoration. But yeah, but thanks to him for that. And this community is so awesome. Not only did he send me the hood, which I tried to, say, hey, I'll trade you or buy it or whatever. He says, no, I don't want nothing for it. And, that's the way this community is. I'm the same way. If I got something to send to you, I don't need nothing in return. I'll send it to you. But, I tried, and he wouldn't take nothing, wouldn't accept nothing. So I go check the mailbox today, and lo and behold, I got a big box, and I'm like, what in the world? Steven, he's only supposed to send me the hood. Well, he also sent me this right here. He knows I love my Volkswagens. He sent me an original issue of the California van, California Roller. You can see here, look at that, steel sealed. I mean, guys, this community is awesome. This is from 1979. Look at that, steel sealed. Steven, thank you. I know I already called you and thanked you and everything and stuff, but dude, really, thank you. I love my Volkswagen buses. I love it all. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. And since he sent this to me, and I don't believe in leaving stuff sealed, that's going to get built one of these days. And we're going to open it up, guys. Y'all want to smell? Well, I'm going to smell some vintage air, but yeah, we're going to open it up. Let me get a knife here. All right, I got my trusty knife. Let's open this bad boy up. I know a lot of people are going to say, no, don't open it, don't open it. But you know what? Here we go. Oh, man. Oh, look at here. Oh, yes. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh, let's get this vintage air out of here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Even on the box it said special limited edition. Well, it's limited and it's an edition, but it's special, all right, because we're going to smell this air. Oh, man, that's awesome, boy. I tell you what, that's better than sex, guys, right there. Oh, yeah. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Y'all seen it for the first time since 1979. Yes. Let's get all the contents out of here and let's open it up. Let's just do a old-fashioned unboxing. Put that out of the way. Let's go through the destructions first. Look at this, guys. There's number one. Doing the chassis, the suspension, rear suspension, the engine. Yes, it has engine detail. Doing the wheels and tires. Let's open this bad boy up. Then we're going to the interior, doing the seat divider, the pedals, steering wheel. Oh yeah, showing more suspension stuff. Shows the gas tank. Putting it to the chassis. Yes, it's a multi-piece body. It's showing putting the body halves together. Opening doors. Putting the glass in. Look at that. Showing putting the dash, the front clip in. Look at this, look at this. That's the top. Showing putting the roof on it. The headlights. Nerf bars. Oh yeah, decal placement. Let's put that back in here. Speaking of decals, let's look at these decals. Boy, those decals are good and crisp. I bet they're going to be good. Because if I build this, I'm probably just going to build the box art. I love building box art cars. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Nice and clean and crisp. Here are the tires. Yeah, they're the multi-piece tires, but you know what? Doesn't matter to me. Look at here, the clear parts. It doesn't have chrome parts, so we'll have to paint them and do whatever, but it shows black parts. Got two antennas, got the wheels, got the Nerf bars. It's got the emblem. It don't say Volkswagen, it says CB. I guess for the CB antennas, CB. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's dump all these parts out that I can dump out here. Sorry guys. Oh, boy, that's the best feeling in the world right there. Opening up a vintage kit. Oh my gosh, look at that. Lime green. I love the color. Look at there. Good detail on it. Let's see. Here are the doors. The dash, or no. I don't know what that is. I don't know. I have to look at that. Not for sure what that part is. Here's the roof panel. Let's see. Here is the chassis. Look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Steven. I can't thank you enough. There's the side doors. Man. Here is, get to focus. There's the dash. Here's the back hatch. There's that steering wheel. Not for sure what those are. It's probably the scoops on the side. There's the bottom half of your engine. Let's see. We got some. There is your, where your seat and stuff, the floorboard. There's a seat back that's come off. Get everything to focus here, guys. There's another seat. Miscellaneous parts. There's the doghouse for the engine. A couple little miscellaneous parts here. Then we got the side of the bus. Look at that. It's got the rounded wheel arches for the big tires. Got your deck lid. Got all the little small parts. Your partial tray for the back. Got your front of the bus where it V's down, so you know it's a 67 or older bus. There's the other side. There's top part of the engine. Front suspension. There is the muffler. There's the part of the body. And what is that? I don't know. Don't know for sure exactly what that is. There you go, guys. There is the unboxing of the California Roller. Here's that hood again. Thank you very much, Steven. I sure do appreciate it, brother. You're the man. Thank you. Love you. Guys, his description will be below. Go check him out. If you ain't already subbed to him, get over there and sub to him. Awesome person. Very, very awesome person. Thank you. Thank you very much, Steven. Bye.